The HUG Hydronics system uses individual pumps to push water through the PEX piping in your floor. These pumps are rated for over 30,000 hours and are very well built. However, if one should fail, replacing them is a simple task. First, unplug the cord for that pump from the control panel. Note which pump you are replacing. Next, unscrew the accompanying black box for the pump by simply turning the thumb screw counterclockwise. Then, pull the silicone hoses off the pump by twisting and pulling them until they are free. Then set aside the faulty pump. Now to install the new pump, all you need to do is replace the hoses onto the pump. Be sure to attach it to the top of the pump and not its nose. Then, carefully seating the black box, screw it in, using the thumb screw in its upper right-hand corner. Finally, attach the new pump's white plug to the control board in the former pump's location. And that's it. You're set. You can see why we're simpler at HUG Hydronics.